experience for me altogether because you know all who are all they?
Annamalai.
They're all my super seniors. Yeah, I'm 89 batch. They are 12, 13 years senior to me. So the person who came in the morning is 13 years
76 batch. We are
senior to
77
me,
batch.
and they're all in very, very good positions in the industry. They have come on my request that they should share their experience and give you motivation. So I've been requesting them actually. It is out of request only they have come. They have spared their time, their busy schedule in very, very responsible positions. They've just come for your sake. So I believe you should have made use of the session. I thought I will join in the morning because I was very eager to stay for the entire day, but I couldn't. But I'm extremely happy and thankful to all of you, my seniors. I always have that respect for my seniors and my teachers, whomever I see. Like I feel, I get a shiver, like when I see them. We go back to our university, we go back to our college days, how we studied and all. It will no way be matchable with what you are in the colleges. It will be totally different. Because I was also in chemical engineering for some time, so I can proudly say that they are also my direct seniors. I was there for some time, and because they said like for female, like getting job in chemical industry will be a little bit difficult, and it may be in sites where it will not suit some of them. So I shifted to electrical, and then I shifted to electronics and instrumentation. But still, my brother was a chemical engineer from the same university, so they are his seniors also. So that was a wonderful experience in Annamalai University. We learned a lot. A lot cannot be put into even an encyclopedia. That much we are not with books. They'll just speak to us from within. Like we cannot forget anybody from there. Like still, it is green in my mind, and I'm very fortunate to have you here, sir. And thank you for the two people who came in the morning. Also, I wish to personally call them and thank you. I hope you had a comfortable stay here. I was not able to.
No, we had a comfortable and we.
So, how about students? Can I have some feedback about this session? Quickly. Any teacher would like to get the feedback, only then they will know how much whatever they have said has reached the students, like that is what is their success. The entire session, whatever they have said, you should have absorbed something out of it, then only the session will become complete. I hope the students would have taken, I think you would have interacted also well, all are talkative students only here.
The whole day it was very nice, like we had a peak vision of what exactly entrepreneurship would be. We had sessions especially for marketing and how to go about our finances and how to clone our skills, and in the morning we had very good sessions on how to start up a small scale industries, right from even a small step matters. So it's not, entrepreneurship is not about making it something big, it could be also something small. So it was very, very useful. It gave us confidence that starting up our own business is not something very difficult or something risky. It just developed our passion. We found it very useful. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank my college for giving us this opportunity. And
Not your college.
my college, principal.
Mention that, yes.
Okay, principal and teachers also. From past 3 days, as soon as I enter this conference hall, I feel myself as an industrialist. Really, because the atmosphere, we are talking about industry and how to develop it, generally gives us skill how to develop our future. So it will be very useful in our future, and I will never remember these guys. Thank you. Seriously.
Anybody else? Quickly, don't waste time. Come. I have already told you, opportunity will knock your door only once. When it knocks, you have to grab it. Quickly. See, I have a lot of expectations on you people. Come. Be specific on what you learned and how it is.
So normally before today, we learned about what basic entrepreneurship is and how business is done and everything. But today was entirely different because normally 2 days what we learned was about only business and entrepreneurship marketing. But today was about financial, how to get. We don't have anything. We start from scratch. We don't have anything. So we need to have something. So how to do that? That was totally about the financial side. Say your name, sir.
Aliyamurthy.
Yeah, Aliyamurthy. So he really did great. What to say? Cleared our doubts, whatever. That was really nice because the financial support was really the hardest thing. I guess no one can just like they say money doesn't come from trees, right? It's all the same. So then in the morning session, he taught about how to the main core of business. And the last session was about total skill development. It's not only about entrepreneurship, it's about basic skill development which you need to do the entrepreneurship properly. Instead of just going in there blindly and doing something and facing a failure, you will have a skill already, so you can do it properly without facing the failures. That's all. Thank you for the principal as well as whoever came for the 3 days.
ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா அவ்வளோலாம் படிக்க மாட்டேன். ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரிசல்ட் வந்தோடனே பயந்துட்டேன்னா சரி நம்மளுக்கு அவ்வளோவா படிப்பு வரல, எதுக்கு காலேஜ்லாம் போக தேவையில்ல, ஃபீஸ்லாம் எதுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கட்டணும்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். காலைல வர பார்த்து கூட சரி யூனிட் டெஸ்ட்டு பட்டு தூங்கிட்டேன். உடனே சார் இருந்துட்டு உன்னை செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவரே ஆச்சரியம், நம்மளா செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்களான்னு சொல்லிட்டு சரி கூட்டு வந்து விட்டுட்டு போனாங்க ஸ்டாஃப். உள்ளே வர பார்த்து அப்படியே பதட்டத்தோட வந்தேன். சரி எதுக்கு நம்மளால எதுவுமே முடியலையே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒருத்தர் பார்த்தா அப்படியே கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் கொடுக்குற மாதிரி பேசிக்கிட்டே இருந்தார். ஒருத்தர் சொன்னார் ஃபைனான்ஷியல் ஒன்று நம்மளுக்கு எவ்வளோ சப்போர்ட் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு ஒருத்தர் சொல்ல பார்த்தா செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் தான் அதிகமாச்சு. இப்போ பார்த்தா சரி நம்மளால படிக்கவும் முடியும், அதே மாதிரி நம்ம என்டர்பிரனர் ஆக முடியும்னு ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு.
This is a college where we don't pick up only students who are 60% above or who pass in all the papers, who are only studious, who come regularly to college. We don't pick up like that. We give opportunity to everybody because every individual will have their own plus and minus. So anybody can come from any backgrounds, and it is not the mark alone which decides their intelligence or their future or their efficiency. So that is how we have different categories of students here. I'm very happy that you could give confidence to a person who felt that there's nothing more in my life in future, because this day will give him a lot of value to his future. He may become a big entrepreneur or a big successful somewhere, but this day will never be forgotten in his life, and I'm very happy along with you to see that we have given a little bit of encouragement to a person who thought that is the end of his career. So thank you so much. Anybody else? Mohan? Pavan?
ஹலோ சார். ஆக்சுவலாக ஃபைனல் இயர்ஸ் எங்களுக்கு ப்ராஜெக்ட்டுக்கே சுத்தமாக டைம் இல்லை. எங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த செஷன் அட்டன் பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு இதுவே இல்லாமல் இருந்துச்சு. நாங்கள் அட்டன் பண்ணலாமா வேணாமா அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. பட் ஆக்சுவலி டுடே வி கேம் ஒன்லி ஃபார் அவர் ப்ராஜெக்ட். பட் ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஷிப் அப்படின்ன உடனே சரி வி ஹாவ் அவர் ஓன் ஐடியாஸ் தட் ஒரு 3 to 4 ஃபீல்ட்ஸ் எங்களுக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ஐடியாஸ் இருந்துச்சு. அந்த ஐடியா சரி இந்த இது போனால் எப்படி யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஜஸ்ட்டு முடிஞ்சிடும், நாளைக்கு கூட பார்த்துக்கலாம், இல்லை 1 month கூட பார்த்துக்கலாம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த செஷன் அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக சார் ஒரு வேலை கொடுத்தாரு. சார் நாளைக்கு போய்க்கிறேன்னு சொல்லி சார்கிட்ட அடம் பிடிச்சி இந்த செஷன் அட்டன் பண்ணேன். ஸோ திஸ் வாஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் மீ. அண்ட் எனக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சில ஐடியாஸ் இருக்குது, அது நான் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். கொஞ்சம் உங்களோட தாட்ஸ் எதாவது இருந்தால் அதை கொடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
The project is only for final year Viva, but the entrepreneurship is for lifetime.
Right.
So you have chosen a right, taken a right step in attending the session.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Actually, from the morning itself, I just came here 10 o'clock, and then the session started, and then it was so much interesting up to now. Till now, like it never feels so bored that no, you're feeling bored. This is this PPT and all. No, it was so much interesting. We learned so many things, and actually, what means my father and my mother they are teachers, but after 2 or 3 years they are going to retire, and then they don't know what to do. So what I was thinking, in my family nobody is a businessman. So many of my friends, they came here because their parents are businessmen, and then they have seen businessmen in their family. But in my family there is no businessman. So I was thinking that I'll get this idea and then I'll tell my parents, no, I learned this. So I'm just waiting to go home, to go to the hostel, and I'll call my daddy, no daddy, I learned this thing today. So we can implement this idea. If you have any idea, you tell me, so I'll contact them and we'll just implement this idea. So it was very useful to me. Thank you so much.
I think in many cases, parents will not be having the faith in you when you start a business, because they would not have done a business, and they will be insisting only on monthly salary because they feel that is a safer thing. So if you have a second background, like somebody is going to finance you, and if you want to try entrepreneurship, that is different. But if it is, the income is only through your whatever you're going to decide, whether it is a monthly job or as an entrepreneurship, there will be always a second thought to go for an entrepreneurship if the family doesn't have an experience in business, or if they have had a bad experience in doing a business. So these two are two things which the parents will be stopping you in entering into it. Maybe the students, after knowing like how the financial supports are there, like how we will not be ending up in failure. So such inputs have come today to you because the latest government sanctioning, I mean, whatever the facilities the government is giving for women entrepreneurs and also for many other small scale industries and all, you know, like with that you can try to talk to your parents and see, like, leave me for some time, let me try. I hope you would have got that confidence at least now, like, yes, I can do. Anybody else?
Good evening. First of all, let me tell you that from Monday onwards, totally my word has been changed. Really, and ma'am, before today's feedback, let me tell you yesterday's feedback, ma'am. Yesterday was Women's Day, but a man was standing here and we all men were sitting here. Really, ma'am. We never feel that, okay, we not got chance to sit there and watch the performance because there was a live performance of a successful man. And from today, ma'am, really we learned a lots of things from morning. He started from basics of this entrepreneurship and evening skills, marketing, financial financial advice, everything. So me and my friends, we are thinking, okay, the results. We know about our results. Okay, past is past. And with sir, I don't know. He told that every entrepreneur mostly his history is 70% are failure only. Guys. So okay, so thank you so much, and ma'am, thanks a lot for it.
So see, the single day of today's session has changed so many people's mindset. So it's a fortunate day for me to have my super seniors here, for my students, giving them a lot of confidence. It's a real fortunate day for me. I wish they come here even quite often, like in future also, whenever there is an opportunity, if you could come and motivate, because now they will start thinking. Maybe again, so half of the things, whatever you have told, may not have entered into their mind, because whatever morning session had gone through, no, like that would have been running in their mind, and then
only one point which entrepreneurship and all this thing, they crystallize their idea. We can be a mentor for them to help and all these things and everything. You plan your ideas, then you crystallize your idea, then if you need any further guidance and all these things, definitely we can support.
so specifically from there they will take you
Yes.
forward. This may be a general session, but if you come with a specific idea, from there they will tell you how to go ahead with all those collection of data or getting finance or to, I mean, maybe the area itself you can decide whether it is the correct area to go for a business or something. So anyway, thank you so much, sir.